Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we often have, these little moments where Microsoft is annoying users. And there's one now with Edge. We already had a lot of annoyances with Edge for those that didn't want to use it because it made it more difficult often to, change their default browser to settings. And it was kind of a little unfair match between Microsoft pushing Edge. Well, they're at it again. It seems that this image actually comes from Windows Central, and it is a little image that tells you that at the top here, it actually adds a little something. Look at that. Edge now launches when you sign into Windows, so it's ready when you want to browse. Change this anytime in settings. And of course, you could say no thanks, but you got to be wary that it's there, that it's, something that can happen now. And that means that they're actually pushing towards another little sneaky way of having you trapped in the Edge browser usage. So be, wary that this can happen and that Microsoft is pushing this. It is totally possible. I've tried it with my Edge browsers here. I haven't had that pop up yet, but with the controlled rolled out releases, it's possible that it's going to be there at some point. And don't forget, you can always check out what's starting up with your PC by right clicking the Start menu button and the Task Manager and going into Startup Apps. Make sure that you look at what's starting up with your PC and if there are things that you don't want to start up, then, here, for example, Microsoft Edge is enabled. I can click here and say, nope, I want to disable this. I don't want it to start. As another example of where you could do something. iTunes, which I will uninstall because I installed it just for some tests with a friend's iPhone. So basically, just make sure that, you are careful with what is starting up at the same time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.